Come explore a bustling train station with me. We start with a train on the tracks next to some buildings, parked at a platform with a sign that says Zürich, Switzerland. People are walking around with luggage, a busy scene indeed. Everyone seems to be heading to or from somewhere, each with their own story. Next, we see a group of people walking through the station with luggage, making it an even busier day. It's a day full of errands and shopping. People are seen talking on cell phones while others walk around carrying some groceries. A large clock on the wall reminds everyone of the passing time. Umbrellas in hand. Families are also a common sight here. Family members are walking next to each other. It is the most beautiful thing in this Swiss mall. Kids are enjoying having fun. Of course, the grocery store is a popular stop. Stacks of boxes, fresh fruits and vegetables in the aisles, full of stuffs. People load their carts with goodies for their day. It's a bustling part of the station. This store has everything from teddies to oranges. And Swiss chocolate is the most popular in the world. Whether you are looking for candies or fresh produce, the store has it all. A quick stop for every tourists and local people. The clock tower in the middle of the building reminds us of the time. Families and individuals alike are busy with their day. Whether it's shopping for donuts or connecting with loved ones, this place has it all. The station also sees a lot of transit activity. Buses and trains are constantly moving. People wait at bus stops and platform edges, ready to move on to their next destination. It's a hub of travel. As the sun shines down on the busy street, people cross paths with each other. There is a storefront with a glass door. Mutaj and Muzayyan in hooded sweatshirt, along with us, came to Migrolino grocery. A quick glance at the produce section reveals a variety of fresh items. People are juicing oranges, and the aisles are filled with a mix of fruits and vegetables. Definitely, it's a feast for the eyes. We totally love the experience. Zurich also home to a number of shops. From yellow vases to bottled water, there is a store for everything. Even pets make an appearance. Busy but interesting. People are always on the move. There is baguettes, breads, croissants and pastries which catches the eyes. So many choices. As we leave the station, the clock tower reminds us tick, 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 tick of the time. It was a busy and lively experience. Now time to go back to hotel. Before back to hotel, we visited a Swiss designer chocolate store and the chocolate taste was heavenly. Thanks for watching my videos. See you soon. Bye-bye.